Boring spreadsheets? Not anymore. I'm going to show you 5 jaw-dropping ways to create progress chart in Excel. Hi, my name is Meer Kamdar and I'm your tutor at officetechskill.com, where we teach professionals how to become productive in their workplace. The first progress bar we are going to create is using conditional formatting. So let us go to Excel. Over here, we have 6 different projects and we have the percentage for each project based on completion. So we'll select the progress column and then go to home. Click on conditional formatting, click on data bars, and then select any particular color of our choice. I'll select yellow. And based on the percentage, you'll see the bar is reaching up to that point. The second topic we're going to cover is the advanced conditional formatting. So let us go back to Excel, go to advanced progress bar. And over here, we are going to customize. So select the progress column, go to home, conditional formatting, data bars, select more rules, and we want to select the first one, and over here we'll provide the percentage. So we want all the bars to show from above 50%. So we'll make this as minimum as 50% and maximum as 100%. And we'll change the color to yellow and click OK. So as you see, you can select progress bar based on percentage or conditions. The third way we are going to look at the progress bar is using formulas. So let us go back to Excel. Now we'll create the progress bar using the percentage or using the formula. Sorry for interrupting this video. I have a special offer for you. I have a free Excel course on my website. The link is in the description below. Please check it out to learn more. Now back to the video. So we'll use equal to and we'll type in the formula. And I'll just drag this down. So basically I provided this symbol and then I provided the range or provided the cell times 10, and that's how I got the bar. Now let us create the progress bar with an Excel chart. So let us go back to Excel. So we'll basically use a stack bar chart. So over here we have 2 columns. The one is for completed and the other one is for remaining. So basically this remaining part will make the color as white. So let us select the data, go to insert, click on stack bar chart, this one. So the part where you see the orange color, we want to make that as white. So I'll go to home. And now I'll add the data label. You can add the title if you want, or you can remove the title. And as you see, you can create a progress chart using a stack bar chart. Now let us look at the final one, which is creating a progress bar chart using a donut chart. So let us go to Excel. And over here, again, same, we have the completed and the remaining. So we'll first select the first project, go to insert, and I'll select the donut chart. I'll add the data labels, remove the title. I'll change the color for orange to white. And I'll provide a outline as black. And I'll change this color to something as blue. Again, I'll make this as white. And I'll change the text for this one as white, so it's visible. You can remove the legend. And as you see, you can create a progress bar chart using a donut chart. You can also remove this if you want. So now it's clearly visible that 35% is completed for project 1. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so next time when I drop a video, YouTube can notify you.